Hi everyone, this is Haripriya here. This video is something different from the regular educational videos which I post. The main intention of posting this video is I receive quite a lot of mails asking me questions relating to PDF, like how to apply for PDF, what is the procedure, age limit, and so on. I reply to all those mails personally, but still I thought if I post it as a video in a public forum, it will be helpful to many other people. So with that intention in mind, I would like to share few mails which I received and answer the questions relating to it. The first mail is addressing questions like how to apply for PDF, what's the procedure to apply, and what are the roles and responsibilities. Answering the first question of how to apply for PDF, you can see advertisements in newspapers, you can use it, or you can get into IIT websites. You will have opportunities link or careers link or PDF positions link. You can get into it and look into the advertisements released by IITs. You can directly apply to any of the IITs who are looking for PDF positions. Next, getting into the procedure to apply. In IIT websites itself, you will find the format for applying. So you can download the format, you can fill the details into it, and you can directly post a mail to that particular IIT. They'll look into it and they might get in touch with you. If not, the best procedure would be you prepare an impressive curriculum vitae supported with the proposal work which you're planning to do and mail it to IIT professors who are working in your area of interest. They will look into the mail and they'll answer your queries. And if they are interested to work with you, they'll reply to you. All the IIT professors, for sure, they'll reply to your mails. So after that, you can get in touch with them and you can apply for your PDF and you can get into the procedures like interviews and other things. The next question is answering the roles and responsibilities for PDF. You can categorize it in different ways. It depends upon your mentor. So if your mentor is already working in any area, you can go work with him and help him in his research and come out with a publication. And if they are already working with any funded project or if they want you to work in a new area, you can get the idea from them and you can work on it. Coming into publications, that also depends upon your mentor. If your mentor wants you to publish, then you can go for a publication work, or if they have any other new technology or new area in which they are working with and they want you to support in that, you can just help them in that work and you can get knowledge based upon the new technology or whatever you're working with. So whether you need a publication or not, it completely depends upon the mentor, your professor. The next question is, I'm interested to do PDF without quitting the job. So he asks whether he can do a part-time PDF. Doing part-time PDF is not possible. You have to stay there and you have to do research for PDF. Mail is regarding age limit. Whether it is possible to do PDF at the age of 38. Answering this question, in general, most of the IITs have an age limit of 35 years for male candidates and they give an extension up to 5 years for women candidates, reserved category and other categories like disabilities and so on. To be specific about the age limit for each and every IIT, it's better to get into the particular IIT website which you're applying and look into the details. For example, IIT Bombay has an age limit of 32 years for male and IIT Roper has an age limit of 40 years. So usually it is like the newer IITs prefer candidates up to 40 years while the older IITs they're restricted to 32 years or 35 years. And always women category and reserved category have an extension compared to the male category in age limit. Coming to the next query. So here is a question for guidance about the procedure to get through. Answering this question, the procedure to get through would be you will have two interviews, one at department level and the other one in institute level. So you will be asked to give a presentation about your proposed work department level first, and then if you clear the department level interview, then you have to attend an interview at institute level. So the next question is how to get a mentor and how to connect to them or approach them. Answering to this question, there is no other way of approaching them. You can send mail to them, see that your CV is very impressive and you support it with your proposed work, which is also very impressive, so that the professor will respond to you. That's the only way. All the other mails which I receive also addresses the same queries like how to apply for PDF, how to get mentor, what is the age limit, what is the procedure. So I think I've answered all your questions. If you want to get connected to me through a live session, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends. To get immediately notified whenever I upload a video, click on the bell icon. Thank you.